Hi everyone. uh Welcome to another video of Yes, there is a bug up there. You can see it. I'm gonna get it down. Let me diffuse this bug real quick and get it out of here. Give me a moment and then I will open up my packet. Give me a moment to find something that will distract the bug. That bug is eventually going to die tonight. I don't like bugs in here. So I'm going to attack it. Ugh. Okay guys, be careful if I fall backwards, someone's gonna catch me. Where did this bug come from? Hey, Mr. Bug, come here. Ugh. Stupid bug. That was one way to complete it. Great. I guess the bug don't want to die. Well, I'm gonna smack it to make it die. I can get up on something. I hate to do this. I have to jump on these boxes. The balance beam. Oh! Oh! That ain't gonna work. Okay, that ain't gonna work. Maybe this will. Die, you stupid bug. Come here, you stupid bug. Did he die? Did he die? Did I get him? Did I get him? Maybe I didn't. That crazy bug is gonna die eventually. He'll die whether I put a thing in his face or what. I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it. There's a dead bug right there. I guess I did kill it. Guess I must have did kill it. Good for me. Well, that bug ain't coming near me again. Hooray for me, I killed the bug. Whoop-de-doo. Now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Sorry about that, guys. There was a bug on my wall and I had to kill it. Had to get it out of here. Didn't know what kind of bug it was. But anyways, I have this package here that I'm going to open up. So without further delay, here we go. sure know how to pack these things tightly. Thanks to FedEx. Come on. Come on. Yes, a poor bug decided to defeat me. Tried to play games, but I think he disintegrated when I killed it. I'm gonna turn this thingy around. Get the other side of it. Alright. Ouch. Ooh. Okay, now comes the fun part of opening this other side. Can't. There we go. I did it. Now we're gonna move all this paper stuff. Wow, look at how big it is. Look how darling it is. It's really a big animal. These are huge, man. Like the giant of the giantess. Come on. Gotta lift this thing up. Thank your girlfriend. I'm like, sure. She called them. Call him and thank me. How am I dealing with it? I don't know. A lot of packing paper for a big item. Jeez, how much packing paper is there? There, now we can get it out. There we go. I can pack all this paper in there now. Lower. Lower that. Wow, isn't this precious? This thing is huge. Look at this. This is one of the best dandy toys I've ever had in my life. Her name is Queen. Look at how cute she is. Look at how cute she is. This one is definitely a keeper. She is so adorable. She's a Palomino Clydesdale. Ain't this cute, yo? Her name is Queen Emma. After my friend, who I really, really love. Yeah. Oops, and I'm sorry, guys. I am bleeding again. Oh, dear. Oh, dear, dear, dear. I'm bleeding. You can see I'm bleeding there. Oh, boy. Luckily, I will fix that. So for now, make everyday magical, and I'll see you on the next video. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.